Apple has revealed the new Apple iPad Air 5 at its peak performance event. The new tab will use the M1 chip, which will make it 60% speedier than the iPad Air 4, which uses the A14 chipset. We can anticipate double the graphical capability, making it faster than other Windows laptops in the same budget range. In this video, we will be taking a comprehensive look at the latest iPad Air with the M1 chip, its features, specifications, the market outlook, and how it compares to other equivalents in the market. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. If you have done just that, let's give in. The new iPad Air 5 is driven by Apple's new M1 chip, the most significant increase over its forerunner, the iPad Air, which had the Apple A14 Bionic chip. The M1 chip raises the efficiency of the existing iPad Air to that of the newer iPad Pro models. The iPad Air 5 will also offer a 5G connection, quicker USB-C charging, and a front-facing lens with a 12MP ultra-wide resolution that allows center stage. The tablet will run iPad OS 15.4 to improve functionality. The iPad Air 5 Wi-Fi variants will be available in the United States on March 18 for a starting price of $599, while models with Wi-Fi and cellular service begin at $749. The iPad Air 5 has the same design as its forerunner. Like the iPad Air 4 and the 11-inch iPad Pro, the latest tablet has 9.7 by 7 by 0.24 inches and weighs 1.02 pounds. It also boasts a 10.9-inch screen and USB-C support. The new tablet is available in 5 color options: space gray, starlight, pink, purple, and blue. The 10.9-inch liquid retina display of the iPad Air 5 has a 2360 by 1640 pixels resolution. Apple claims that the display can achieve 500 nits of brightness. In addition, the screen has a P3 broad color gamut, true tone, and an anti-reflective screen coating. In an evaluation of the iPad Air 2020, it was said that the screen reaches 440 nits. If the screen of the iPad Air 5 is the same, we can anticipate the same outcomes. Based on what we know so far, the new iPad Air's screen looks comparable to its forerunner. The iPad Air 5 is powered by Apple's proprietary M1 processor. This is the same one found in the most recent iPad Pros and the 13-inch MacBook Pro. This is significant because the M1 has 50% more power than the A15. This M1 chip should aid the new iPad Air 5's battery life. In its base configuration, the M1 has an 8-core CPU, a 7-core GPU, and 8 GB of RAM, whereas the A15 Bionic has a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. Not to mention that it's designed to be energy efficient, which should result in a considerable increase in battery life. Of course, putting the M1 CPU in a lower-spec iPad may appear to be an odd choice. However, we must keep in mind that Apple has been attempting to pitch the iPad as a PC substitute for several years now. Giving computer-tier performance is one method to keep customers involved. In addition, the iPad Air's front-facing camera has been upgraded from 7MP to 12MP. The center stage feature on the ultra-wide camera intelligently pans to maintain you in focus as you move about. If another person joins you, the camera identifies them and effortlessly zooms out to include them in the photo. The rear-facing camera has a resolution of 12MP, just as the previous model. It can snap high-resolution photographs and record 4K films. The addition of 5G connectivity marks a significant departure from the 2020 iPad Air. Under ideal conditions, 5G can reach peak speeds of up to 3.5 gigabits per second. Wi-Fi 6 is also supported by the slate. The iPad Air 5 is compatible with a variety of Apple accessories. The Magic Keyboard sold at $299, Apple Pen 2 at $129, Smart Keyboard Folio at $179, and Smart Folio at $79 are among them. The latter is available in black, white, electric orange, dark cherry, English lavender, and sea blue to match the new iPad Air finishes. The iPad Air 5 will feature its predecessor's exact trim and light design, but will be more efficient thanks to the M1 CPU. It's not unexpected that Apple is revamping all of its gadgets with its high-performance technology. While the iPad Air 5 will not contend with the M1 Pro and M1 Max CPUs found in the MacBook Pro 14-inch and MacBook Pro 16-inch, the new tablet will be more powerful than many competing slates on the market. Let's see how it performs. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have high expectations of the iPad Air 5? Please share your views with us by leaving a comment in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.